Yeah. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Caden Ventures. My name's Caden, and today we are going over my new electric fridge. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of a hard purchase to make. I've been doing a lot of research online for the last couple months and over the entire winter on whether or not to upgrade to like a Yeti, like a different type of cooler, something that was a little bit more beefy, that can hold ice for a lot longer, or just go with an actual electric fridge to bring along with me on the trails and out camping. After a ton of research, I decided, screw it, let's just go for gold. This guy went on sale for Memorial Day weekend, and so that presented the opportunity to me to go ahead and jump on it. So just a little bit of information on this guy. This cost approximately, I think it was like $815 or something. I think it was $815 for the fridge itself, and then it was another $200 to get it to Alaska. So all in all, you're looking at about $1,000. I was doing the math in my head, and Yetis are, there's some Yetis that are pretty pricey as well. And another thing too with this is that I never have to worry about ice. That was one of the big issues. I hate soggy food. I hate having to try and find ice, especially in Alaska during the heat of the summer. You can't find ice. Anyone who was in Alaska last summer knows trying to find ice at a gas station was non-existent. And so that was one of the really big leading factors in choosing this particular fridge and this option in general. And it also has a super low battery draw on this. I'm actually planning on getting a Goal Zero Yeti 400 to power it up, and then I'm going to be mounting it in the truck. And I also wanted this, it's not going to be a permanent mount inside the truck. I want it to be able to bring it in and out whenever I'm camping. And so this new guy, so this is a CFX3 45 liter. It can hold about 67 cans in this bad boy, and it uses a super low battery draw. It has a built-in sensor to detect whether or not your battery in your truck, if you're using your truck battery to power this thing, it'll actually stop drawing power from the battery if it knows the battery is about to die. So there is no worry, there's essentially, well, supposedly, there's no worry of your battery dying completely with this guy plugged in, because it should turn off if your battery gets close to that. I shouldn't have any issues with that because I'm going to be connecting it to a Goal Zero Yeti 400, which that guy is on the way. I'm actually picking it up this weekend in Soldotna. But without further ado, let's bust into this bad boy. So this thing feels pretty solid. The handles are pretty heavy duty, which is nice. Let's see what's inside. All right, so this is the CFX3 45 liter. So what it comes with, we got a little owner's manual. We got a couple different plugs here. And then we got a couple of these trays, which is nice. It's got this little divider here. And then it looks like this whole tray can also come out as well. And then it looks like inside the bottom here, we got a little drainer right there. So a little piece like that. So that's pretty nice. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. So since we're at home, I'm just going to use my normal. This is for if you want to plug it into your truck. Plug it in, set the temperature, adjust the battery protection system, register, get out there. $86. Set the temperature. Yeah, I'd say 39 Fahrenheit. Set the battery protection. We'll do medium for right now. And there you have it. Alright. So now we'll just let it run. Looks like we also have a little USB adapter there, so it looks like you can charge your phone and whatnot on it. And again, these are those heavy duty handles. Pretty loud, but seems like they'll hold up pretty well. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but starting to start up, which is good. Pretty quiet, not too bad. Getting warmed up. There's actually a little light that appears, which is pretty sweet. I'll give you guys another in-depth review after I've used this thing a couple times. Super excited about it. It looks like it's going to be a great addition to our camping setup. Never have to worry about ice again. Keep food cool, not wet and soggy. Yeah, I'm just super excited. I'll show you guys a couple other videos when I get this mounted in the truck itself. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a comment down below. Otherwise, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.